Namaskar. I am Dilip Sen in Patanjali Yoga since 2005. Today we will do some exercise, asana and pranayam for blood pressure. The reason for BP mainly due to tension and stress, wrong food habit, irregular lifestyle and not doing any physical work. I will request you everyone to join me for next 10 minutes because prevention is better than cure. We get up early in the morning because our biological clock has relation with the sun. We drink warm water in the morning because warm water expands our system, and if we drink it before brushing our teeth, then the saliva deposited on the tongue overnight is very good for our health. Now we'll start with warm-up exercise because we cannot cook food when the oil is not warm. Warm-up exercise we will do up to our limit according to our age. The youngsters will do more vigorous exercises like jogging, jumping, skipping. Hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Shoulder. Opposite 5 times. Hips. Rotate 5 times. Inhale. Hold. Opposite. Knees. Rotate. Opposite. Exhale down, inhale up. When our head was down, then the upper part of the body got more blood from heart than normal. Now, asana. In asana, stretching of veins and organs and breathing. Inhale, hold for 5 seconds to 30 seconds and exhale. Holding of breath has many benefits. Our lungs and heart gets more oxygen than normal, and heart is able to supply oxygenated blood throughout our body, which is food of millions of cells in the body. We'll do only 2 asanas. Number 1, Skandhasana, beach pose. Inhale, up. Hold your breath. Exhale, down. Fish pose, Matsasana. Inhale. exhale down. Savasana, rest in Savasana. Normal breathing. Turn to your left, put pressure on the ground by right hand and get up. This is the way how to get up from bed, because our heart is on here, the left side. Now we will do pranayam. Tension and stress can be reduced, minimized by meditation and pranayam. The first lesson of meditation we got concentration. Concentrate on the point whatever we are doing. Now we are doing pranayam. So we will concentrate on our breath. We will feel that lungs is expanding, and when we are exhaling, it is coming to the normal position. Diaphragm is going down, and afterwards, with our closed eye, we will see the breath. First pranayam, Bhasrika, training our lungs. Inhale, hands, inhale, exhale. Long, deep breathing. So for BP, this is the mudra. The thumb is between these two fingers, other fingers are straight, and this hand facing upward will be on the knee. Now, expansion of lungs. Inhale, hands up, exhale down. Ten times. Now inhale, hold up to your limit, 5 seconds to 30 seconds. Exhale, forcibly. Mudra. We should do Bhastrika for 5 minutes in the morning. Kapalbhati is to be done in empty stomach. First inhale deeply and then only exhale and pull your belly inside. Not to think about inhaling, because whenever there is a vacuum, oxygen is going automatically inside. Mudra. For 10 to 15 minutes. But for the new participants, it is not possible to do Kapalbhati continuously. But you do up to your limit, and whenever you are tired, take rest and then do it again. Bhramri. Making sound like a bee. Close the ear, 3 fingers here, 2 fingers on Agga Chakra, and concentrate on Agga Chakra and make a sound. Five times. Sithili pranayam. But we should not do Sithili pranayam in winter season. Inhale, mudra. Inhale by mouth, the lips will be like beak of a bird and exhale by nose. Five times at least. Most important pranayam for blood pressure is Anulom Vilom pranayam, which is also called Nadi Shodhan. Deep breathing by alternate nostrils. Start with left nostril, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You see, this elbow hand is also moving because the exhale diameter should not touch the palm. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now advanced yoga. Inhale, hold for 5 to 30 seconds up to your limit and then exhale. We do Anulom Vilom for 10 minutes at least. BP patients will do it for more. Kapalbhati is to be done in empty stomach. Anulom Vilom can be done anytime a day. So, we dip our legs in a bucket of warm salty water before going to bed at night, which is good for arthritis and BP. Acupressure. This first point is the acupressure point. Press it hard for 20 to 40 times, but not many times in a day, because if there is any problem, we have to go to neurosurgeon. We can do acupressure also by clapping, and we can be glad by laughing like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. But after any acupressure, we must press the kidney point, which is in the middle of our palm, where the middle finger touches this one 10 times. Please share and subscribe. You can visit YouTube, Yoga, Dilip Sen. You can find my other videos. Thank you. Remain happy and healthy.